up, everyone? I'm on my way home. Been out on the road not that long, but I'm going to be going home for like a week or so. Tomorrow I'm supposed to be taking delivery of Ashlee's new car, and we plan on surprising her with it. I do hope that that goes well. We shall see. I think her reaction is going to be like, "Oh my God, Dad, I knew it." Whatever, we'll see. I do hope that she appreciates everything that we do for her and the rest of the kids. I'm out here on the road to give my wife and kids the best possible life. You know, and I'm trying to teach them respect, trying to teach them that if they work towards their goals, they can accomplish anything. They can get anything in this world. So we shall see how her reaction will be tomorrow. Without further ado, let's see what it's like. Peace.
You don't really have to move the car.
Guess what?
Oh my God! You could have told me to wear something nice.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
You could have told me. You could have told me to wear something nice.
Oh my God!
Hang on, guys, cut it off.
Yeah.
Tell them, Brittany.
This is your gift from Brittany. Take it out, the
Oh
thing.
my God! What the heck? Oh my God! Oh, an elephant. Oh my God. Yeah.
Here. Here, you want her?
Oh my God. Oh my God. I was like,
Go inside. Look at it.
I don't want to see inside. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Yeah, best part.
Dad, it's got your smell, though. The new car smell.
Good charge.
Oh my God.
Wait, it's your phone, Dad?
Oh my God.
Give it to him. Oh, she's busy. Oh, you know how to do it.
Yeah. Oh my God, now we need to go somewhere. Did you know about it?
Yes, Ashlee. I knew about it too. I was getting. I was getting the.
Yeah, David. Yeah, David told me.
I just found out.